Hello, Chris Carina here with the Flood Insurance Guru. And today we're talking about the new federal flood program that's scheduled to come to Florida in October 2021. This is a big topic in Florida, and one reason is that residents were concerned that it could have a major impact, and in fact it looks like it might. So today we're going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to premiums and flood insurance. We're going to be talking about things staying the same. We're going to be talking about current policy holders and then taking out a new policy. All these different things. So first of all, let's talk about the good. The good news is about only 20% of policyholders are going to see an immediate decrease. The problem is the bad part, and that is that 68% of policyholders could see an increase of $0 to $10 per month immediately. So what about the rest? The rest of current policyholders could see $10 or more. And that could be significant for people in parts of Florida. So these are some of the impacts that premiums you're going to see immediately. Now, do you have to go into this new program right away? Well, it depends if it's a new policy. It depends if it's a renewal. If it's a renewal, you may not have to go into October 2022 or even up to April 2022. But if it's a new policy you're taking out after October 1st, 2021, you're going to be required to go through this new program. So what's staying the same? Things that are staying the same. We're talking about newly mapped policies. We're talking about policy assumptions. We're talking about pre-firm subsidized rates, and then the CRS, also known as the Community Rating System program. Remember, a policy assumption is when a property is basically transferred from one owner to the next, locking in that rate, maybe grandfathering. CRS is when a community goes above and beyond what FEMA's requirements are, helping its community get discounts on flood insurance ranging from 5% to 40%, 45%. Then there are these pre-firm subsidized rates. These are buildings that were built before the first flood map. They get special rates as the government basically is taking care of a portion of the premium. So those are policy assumptions, pre-firm subsidized rates, CRS, and then newly mapped policies. So if you've got questions about flood insurance in Florida, what your options are, how do you minimize this risk? Maybe you're in the wrong flood zone and you want a challenge to make sure you're in the right flood zone, then click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.